There are things you have to do during and after uploading your YouTube video. Hello, are you confused on exactly what to do to upload videos that will get views on YouTube? Then this video is for you. My name is Blessing Oluisola. This channel is about your YouTube growth, wealth creation, learning software that can make life easy for you. If any of these things resonate with you, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Let's dive right into the business of the day. The things you need to do during and after uploading your videos so that you can get views, attract new subscribers, and your channel grows over and over again. Stay till the end as I'm going to do a practical step-by-step of exactly what you need to do to get all the views that you need.
So before you upload your videos on YouTube, these settings I'm going to show you now, they are very, very important if you must get views and subscribers, okay? And I will use a particular video of mine as an example to show you how I got over 50 subscribers from that video alone. So let's move on straight to my YouTube studio where I will show you the different things you must do, whether before you upload and after you upload your videos, before they go public. Is very important. I'm going to increase this right now, and let's start from my dashboard. So the dashboard will show you what you are achieving. I'm over 100 subscribers already. This is my latest video, and in ranking compared to the other of my videos, this is on number 3. That means 2 other videos are doing better than this particular video at the moment, but this is my latest video. So I'm going to use an example. Let me use any of my content as an example for you for the settings that I want to show you right now. Let's use this one, and I will tell you some other things. So the first thing is your title. Please, in your title, ensure that you have the right keywords that will make people search for your video. So a keyword here is YouTube algorithm. YouTube is a keyword, algorithm is another one. When you combine it, is a major keyword, YouTube algorithm. Because a lot of people are wondering, what is this YouTube algorithm? So they will go and search. And when they search, with the right optimization, my video can pop up. Okay? So this is it. Another thing is YouTube growth. And when you come to the description, you should see the word YouTube, which is here. You see SEO here, and is also here. So this is how to make sure that your title has the right keywords. So one thing that is very important if you must get views is pay attention to your title. Sometimes it is even important for you to do proper research on your title before you create the video itself. The next thing is your description. Very important. Make sure you have a description. And most times, so that you get more views, please put related videos in your description. It is easier for your audience to watch another of your video when they see them in different places. So one other place they can see it is in your description. Now let's move to other things in the settings. Please, your thumbnail is another very important thing that you must pay attention to. You take your time, do a thumbnail that is catchy, that people can see easily. You can see that this one from afar, master the algorithm, is very easy to see. Then one rule that I also adhere to, I've heard also, is not to put things around this place that is showing the time, so that it is easy. Because when people are looking at the thumbnail on a phone and everything, let it be that whether it is a phone, whether it's a laptop, it is very clear to understand. So putting different things here, this time is already automatic from YouTube. So I just avoid putting anything here. Let the time have its own place. All right. But that is not a must, it's a choice actually. Then I don't put subtitles. You can if you want to. But I always say, if you want to put subtitles, please edit them. edit them. Let's click on it and see some of the things that the algorithm will say, some things that are not clear. Is there anything here? Is there anything like spellings that are not clear? Anyway, so that we don't waste time, there will be spellings that are not clear because the algorithm does not understand completely what you are saying. But let's not go there. So what I also say is, if you have to, then you come and edit this particular thing so that exactly what you're saying is what we can see if you want to. Okay. Now, end screen. This is very important. If you don't put your end screen, you are leaving views on the table. So people will not have the opportunity to see another of your video. So most times, some people say put one. Nowadays, I put one, but before now I put two. So if this one does not attract you, this one will attract you. That is my own style. In putting end screen, you can allow YouTube choose for you, which is what I did. This is a lazy way of doing it. Or you choose a specific video. There is a video I did that I chose a specific video. I will go and show you and why I chose that specific video. So be conscious of whatever you are doing. I will discard this now so that we'll move to the next. Then cards. Very important. I don't like placing my cards at the beginning. I place my cards here. I place my cards at the end so that people don't just enter, they watch my video to a point, then they click off because they saw a new video. I just place it. And when I'm placing my cards, I use my playlist. So if you mistakenly click this, it will take you from one video to the other, and I'll be gathering my views. So I'm giving you my own secret now. You see why you should subscribe to this channel. I will be giving you more secrets. So that is very, very important. Take advantage of any opportunity you have for your videos to get more views. Next one, let's move down. I don't want to forget. You see, playlist is very important. So let's even say you don't have a playlist yet. It's very easy. Click here to create a new playlist. Just click on new playlist. Let's click on it and see. If you click on it, it will ask you new playlist, add a new playlist. Yes. Okay. This is how to create a playlist in case you didn't know. You add a title. In this case, this is what I put, YouTube journey. I can change it if I want to. Add a title, then add a bit of description, then make it public. Be conscious. Any playlist you don't want to make public, please be conscious so that you don't go and put private playlist on public. Everybody will see it. So when you finish, this create icon will be highlighted so you can click on it. Right now, I'm not creating anything, so that's why it's not highlighted. Okay. So create your playlist, very important. And when you create your playlist, please use that playlist very well. Anywhere you are placing your videos, use the playlist. Now, I'm sure some of you will be like, my playlist, how do I get the link to my playlist? So here's what you can do to get the link to your playlist. So to get the link to your playlist, go to customization, click on home tab. I click on the playlist that I've created and it will pop up in my browser. Okay. So you can see, I just copy this link. I copy this link. That's what I do. I copy the link. Another thing you can do is you can click on share. When you click on share, it will ask you to copy link. This is it. You copy the link. So you can place this link on your description. So I'm going to close this now. Let's go back to where we were before. I was in my dashboard. I was in my content and I was working on this algorithm video. Let's go back there. So for instance, I don't think my playlist is here. So let me just use the opportunity to put my playlist here. YouTube journey. See, this is a playlist link. You can actually shorten this. You can shorten this link if you want to. You just go on Google and search for shorten URL for free. Okay, follow the instructions. Should we do that? Let me see. Is this one for free? be sure, because some of them are not for free. Let's use this one. Put the link. Say shorten. Good. So this is the short. You copy it now. Let me just copy it. Copy it and come and paste it here. So instead of putting this very long, yeah. Okay. So I'm just pasting. You see. So this is a whole playlist that I've changed. You can see. So that's how to shorten your URL. The next thing is go down your tags. Let me use my best video. My best video to illustrate this one. I want to show you tags, okay? Yes, another thing from my best video. Please put timestamp. Put chapters, timestamp on your videos. It will help because this video did well. The video I was using to show you right now does not have timestamp, but you can see that this one has timestamp. Let me show you the analytics of this video. 1,700 views. I'm sure you'll be saying, yeah, but it's not big. Please, it is big compared to other ones that have 20 views. And you can see, even as I'm talking to you right now, people are here. They are still watching. 3 people are here right now. As I'm talking to you, they are watching. And this video is over a week. This video was published December 30th. Yeah, you can see December 30th. And they are still watching it. Look at the number of subscribers that this video has given me. And this one is even showing per 28 days. That's why I'm using that particular video to show you example, because that's one of my best videos right now. So let me show you what I wanted to show you. I'm just going to go to the tags. Please, not made for kids. Very important. I always say it. If you have paid content, tick here so that algorithm already knows that you have paid content. So don't lie. If you are using AI, you tick yes, you are altering your content. That's if you are using AI for your content. Okay. This is where I'm going. The tags. So you can see the tags also have the word YouTube, YouTube Studio, and all that. This also helps SEO. Okay, so these are the settings that you must put in place for your videos to get more views. Please allow embedding so that let's see what embedding is. Allow others to embed your video in their sites. Okay, so other sites can also, put your video links in their sites, maybe to demonstrate something and you're getting views. Another thing, allow video and audio remixing. Just allow. Are people interested in what you are doing? Maybe you did shorts or something and they are interested. Allow them. If you disallow, you'll be limiting yourself from views. Then another important thing is the category of your video is very important. If you click on it, you see different categories. Mine is how to, because I do a lot of how to here. If it is software, it is how to. But if you are doing anything in autos and vehicles, comedy, education, entertainment, please put it. Music, put it, so that the algorithm would direct your content to the right audience. Okay, and allow comments. Don't turn your comments off. If not, you'll be shooting yourself on the leg. All right, so these are the very important settings that you must put in place if you want views in your channel.
Thank you so much for watching. So can you see that everything I've mentioned in all the settings, everything that you need to do is very, very important. If you don't do these things, honestly, you have just wasted all your effort trying to create videos. Make sure you do all these things as you upload your video or immediately after uploading your video to get all the views. Subscribe, because more and more of these kind of tips and tricks are coming your way. Thank you. Bye.